Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Nothing much, just chilling.
You all by yourself?
Yeah, I'm by myself right now, and then I'm gonna go pick up Fluff here in a sec. So, yo, what's happening? How are you, Steve?
I say, man, you're still, hey!
Yeah. I'm not gonna do that judo throw on you.
Are you gonna take that stuff too?
I'm gonna take everything for Monday, and I can take all that stuff too, yeah.
Probably go through some of that stuff and see what you can build.
Got it.
Out of that. But
Got it.
oh, baby.
I got you. Just let me know. Yes, sir.
It seems so clear. I just follow my heart, let me hear. And I know what you say, but maybe what you need is to switch off your head and let your heart lead. And let your heart lead.
It's not a hookup, don't think about it.
you.